Pizza has come a long way. It's no longer limited to round and saucy. Pizza can be savory, sweet, or not exactly pizza at all. For those looking for something sweet and different, this strawberry kiwi fruit pizza watermelon should be right up your alley. Why is this called a pizza watermelon? Because once everything is assembled, it looks like a watermelon, which makes it a perfect summertime dessert or any time of year. Add a bit of extra flour, some butter, and a large egg to the mix to make an appropriately firm foundation for your toppings. This recipe is enjoyable to make, but not completely from scratch. Using a sugar cookie mix saves you a step. Instead of baking the cookie dough on a cookie sheet, use a couple spring-form pans to make a perfect circle cookie. Use half the dough in each pan. Later, you'll cut each circle in half for 4 strawberry kiwi fruit pizza watermelons. Instead of zesty tomatoes, cream cheese fluff is the sauce for the next layer. It sounds heavy, but you'll beat in marshmallow fluff and whipped topping to give it a light, airy feel. Divide the fluff into 2 equal amounts to spread over your cookie crusts. Next comes the fruit toppings. Whole each strawberry and then dice the remaining fruit to sprinkle over the cream cheese fluff. Peel and slice the kiwi and cut each slice in half to make half circles. These will make up the watermelon rind on your pizza. Finally, add some chocolate chips to create watermelon seeds. This is an impressive dessert to serve at a baby shower, bring along for a potluck, or to dress up your own dinner table for your family. The fruit complements one another, and the chocolate chips add a fun touch both visually and to your taste buds.